Hey guys, so maglalaro ko nitong hobby na to. Pag nahulog ako, kakantayin ko yung takedown on Demon Hunters, guys. Pag nahulog ako, kakantayin ko yung takedown sa Demon Hunters. So, swingin yun. Ayoko talaga kumanta na kasi kahit favorite ko yun, kakantayin ko yun. Pag nahulog lang ako, basta na di ko ako matulog. So, swingin. Baby, nice try. I'm a search up my beers, my beers. It's time to kick you into the drill. Cause I see you real face and all the day. When you pull up a pay and the morning. When you find that the show and the baby I'm a baby. I don't know if you're ready for the takedown. I didn't want no feeling the certainly so over you. Yeah, it's a takedown. Amen. Wait lang. Live it yourself, and hiding now, I'm shining like I'm Barbie. We dream and high, came so far, now I'm believe we're going up. Pwede pala yun take down. Ayoko, antayin yung takedown. And for the world. It's a takedown. So sweetie. Sorry guys kung pag nahulog ako guys, kanta ako. Pero sorry kung pangat yung boses ko. Kasi hindi ko pa kasi gets yung guys eh. Hindi ko pa kasi alam yung takedown kung paano kantahin. Hunting for the world. So guys, may gagawin na lang. Hindi ka na mahulog. Hunting for the world. Karaoke yun guys. It's a takedown. Ako lang. Hindi pala yung karaoke. Oo, babasahin ko sa karaoke. Kasi di ko pa alam eh. I don't know ano sasabihin ko. Pag nakalimutan ko na, di ko alam. Babasahin ko guys ah. Pag nahulog lang ako. Hunting for the world. It's a takedown. So sweet yun is in the eye. Baby nice try. Nahulog ako. Let's. Wait lang. Give me last dance. Lahat ng tao may last dance. It's a takedown. So sweet. Eyes. And then inside. Oh, basi na. Baby nice try. Huy, gagi. Hindi ka nahulog. Yo talaga kumanta ng good. Cause I see you real fake and the other day. When you part at the show and I'ma make it diba on my air. I don't know, ready for the takedown. I didn't know enough feeling that it's earthly. It's a wolfie, yeah, it's a takedown. I didn't know enough feeling that it's earthly. It's a wolfie. Let's see what you are. You're a demon. Just like your mother was. Zoe is my favorite. Ay, hindi guys. Si Rumi guys yung favorite sa K-pop Demon Hunter. Alam ko guys, may partner na daw yun. Wala pa kayo. Di ko pa nga papanood sa sine. Buhay pa ba si Gino dun? I think buhay pa. Kasi Gino is my favorite. Pinaka-favorite ko si Rumi. Second favorite ko si Gino. Third favorite. Zoe. Fifth na favorite, Mira. Gusto ko naman din si Mira. Ay! Wait lang. Hindi. Sige na nga. Kantahin ko na nga. Kami for part 2.